Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are featuring a special guest, and she will be telling you today what we're going to be making. Sound effects! Okay, go ahead.
Today we're going to be making bread pudding and cookies. And are we going to go to the store? We might go to the store later on in the video, and we might shoot in the store, and we're probably going to get some ice cream. So, yeah.
Oh, yeah, we definitely getting that ice cream, though. Everything else she said, I wasn't in agreement with. But when she said ice cream, I was on top of it.
So, we already cut up the bread already.
We did, but she has to cut up the rest. So, we are going to be going over that.
Yes, I am a beginner cook. I love cooking.
So, in about 5 to 6 years, you all will be seeing her in the public eye.
Thank you. Yeah, hold on. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, I'm changing my YouTube. But you can, if you've seen my YouTube channel and you subscribe to me already, thank you. I'm going to make another YouTube channel. I promise. Love you, mommy.
Ready?
Okay, so. Here's our bread. So
That's your iPad?
Yeah, that's my iPad.
Okay.
I do not have a phone, just to let you know somebody stole it.
No. I can't do it. You better hold the knife correctly. But no, look. Okay, so you ready?
Okay. Right on. What you want me to cut? You want me to cut this, or you want me to cut with this?
You gotta cut all of it.
How you want me to cut it? Like this?
Break it down into, yeah, just like that. Cut everyone about that size, and then we'll break it down and turn it into squares.
Okay,
so guys, go ahead.
You sound like a girl.
We both
okay, so guys, when you cut, don't cut like this, or don't cut like this, or put your fingers like right there. Cut like this, put the knife right here, and I had to touch right there. But don't be scared. I was scared, or you're gonna mess up and you might cut your fingers.
She is talking about how to properly hold a knife, examples, and she did an excellent job at explaining it.
Thank you.
So, what happened? What happened?
We'll be back when we cut up all the bread.
Say, cause one day.
So hey guys,
we just got. We're gonna make you gonna make dinner by yourself or
I'm recording.
You heard me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm recording. So we just got done.
Let them know that you're back and you're gonna go ahead and start.
I am. So we finished cutting up the bread. Mr. Kareem, you didn't even cut this bread all the way. You didn't even cut this all the way. No. No. You need to rip this. Mr. Kareem, look at this.
Pull it apart.
No, this is fine. Gotta break it apart. Okay, so now what we're gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're gonna
cream the cream cheese.
We're gonna cream the cream cheese
with a hand mixer.
The hand mixer. That's how we gonna do it with this.
That's the hand mixer.
I thought you was gonna. I want it to be over here with me and you. By me, where the camera is.
Switch the outlet. Switch the
I'm gonna switch where my iPad charger is. It fell. But yes, we are recording with a phone. We are not rich. We do not have cameras.
Hey, Grandma, you called to ask me a question. I'm telling you what I said. I asked her.
Hey,
where
Adriana.
we going. That's it. That's all I want to know. I can call my brother and let him know. me and her talked about it last week.
Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my mama talking to my cousin.
She wanted all of us to come, but then she was
It's
like,
my
you know, either they don't
cousins.
come,
It's my
you know,
younger
because
cousin's
there's
birthday
kids down there.
this weekend.
So,
And she talking
so
to her
I don't know.
You did it, Bookabaya?
No, I fit you. So I'm finna cream the cream cheese. Yeah, I just switched it.
Okay.
So there's a lot going on.
Concentrate, put it on the table so you don't get it everywhere.
Yeah.
And I said, just let the camera run, okay?
Okay. So you want me to put it on 1, 2, 3, or 4?
2.
5.
2. Let the hand mixture do the job and keep it in one spot and then it'll chase itself around.
Oh, I hate that it look like icing. Oh, look at that. It's inside of it.
So,
Oh yeah, we cracking some eggs. Okay, so catch up phrase. We just put some eggs in there, and we're still stirring it up. But there's still like stuff on the side, so I'm just trying to get that down if I stop.
What you supposed to call me for?
turn it back
What
on.
you supposed to
Yeah, I'm trying to get it off from the
On the
side.
sides? Okay.
Oh, well, you need to ask
Oh, look at that! You just added some vinegar?
No, not yet.
Oh, look at that!
It's gonna get creamier.
It's gonna get creamier, like he said, but like that's what it looks like.
For me?
Yeah.
How many eggs you put in there already? 2, right?
So yeah.
Okay. Adding nutmeg.
Nutmeg, guys.
So guys, let me catch you up a little bit. We are
My word.
doing bread pudding. However, we did check out a recipe.
We're not gonna follow the recipe. We're not gonna follow the recipe that much, but we are gonna follow the recipe a little bit because we want ours to be really, really good. What are you adding in it? Tell them what you're
I am
adding.
adding allspice.
Allspice,
Excuse me,
sugar.
cloves. Excuse me, cloves. They're whole cloves, but at the bottom, they're in powder form. So I'm just
Slice.
taking the.
He's not taking these. He's taking the powder form.
So even if you was to grind them up like that, it'll be in just like if you was to buy ground cloves. But fresh is always the best.
But can you eat these?
You can cook with these, but you can't consume them or whatever like that.
So you can't like.
I mean for see how strong it is. It's not bad, but and it's actually good for your teeth and stuff. Yeah.
It's too
Uh-huh.
strong.
It's like cinnamon, right? It's like,
Yes. So we're gonna mix it in. Oh look.
So we left the cream cheese on the counter so it could
Like melt a little bit.
yes, because if you was to put it cold, it will be all clumpy. So you generally want to put your cream cheese your cream cheese to the side. That way they can come to room temperature, and when you cream it out, it'll be a little bit faster. And you see how I added the 2 eggs? It kind of helped it incorporate. Now, which is
Don't
come
look at me.
together.
Look at the camera.
I know, but I'm talking to you or whatever like that. Let the camera, we let the camera run like that, and then talking amongst ourselves. They can see and hear us.
Okay.
But
I ain't seen
you see like those little clumps and stuff like that. We want to get
Yeah,
all
like all the
creamy. There's some,
clumps. We
clumps
wanted to
left.
get creamy, baby, baby.
So
This is too much. This is too much. I'm too sure.
Did I get any in my hair?
nope, perfect.
Good. 'Cause I don't want it in my hair.
Please.
Okay, so now I'm gonna like sit down
Turn
and do
on
it.
high, right, high speed and hold it.
High.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, we just turn it on 5.
You can sit down and hold it like you will.
It doesn't look like icing anymore. It doesn't look like icing that much anymore, but it still looks a little like icing. Don't get that in my eye, please. Now we're squeezing lemon in it. Hold on. Now we're squeezing lemon in it. I don't feel good yelling because my throat's gonna hurt. That actually smells really good. I love the way lemon smells.
It smells citrusy.
Bruh, it made the thing smell so much better. It
'Cause-
made it smell like lemon cake
Okay, as to
instead of
You
cream
smell the
cheese.
nutmeg in there now?
I mean lemon cake.
You smell the nutmeg in there now,
You gonna add another lemon?
too? No, that was just that one. Like a little half of one. A little bit.
Okay, so we still got clumps in it. It's probably gonna take a long time until we get it sturdy
Cinnamon.
and like not clumpy. So can you hold this like?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Hold the bowl.
No, it's fine. So it might take a long time for us to like get it sturdy. So we'll be back when it's not like clumpy anymore. So yeah. Hold on. Okay, so where's the remote at? Oh, here. Can you give that to mommy, please?
Mm-hmm.
So we're finna taste it. We're finna taste it. I know it's raw egg, but
Let them know everything you added.
we added 4
Additional eggs.
more additional eggs, and we added
So how many that was already in there?
how many that was already in there?
No,
I can
that's a
hear
question.
you.
How many did we put in there the first time?
How many we put in there was first time was 2.
Right. I know you.
And we added some more sugar. I'm probably gonna have diabetes. I don't know. So if I have diabetes, pray for me.
You can see.
Oh no. But yeah, we're finna taste it.
But remember, one of the first things I
Pray for me if I die. If I throw up, my mom said if I throw up, Mr. Craig, I'll have to clean it
I
up.
remember saying something about like, you know,
Oh,
what we're
see,
doing.
it is not a problem. They can't see up here. It's a roof.
How I say? You see? That's better with the sugar.
Taste that side.
Are you tripping? I don't know what side you hate. Lemon.
No, we gonna have diabetes.
Listen, not yet. Not in 2020. Not in 2020. It's okay. Add a little bit more. You know why? What's the difference that you taste? You taste additional ingredients, right?
Yeah.
So when for desserts, when you put sugar, it intensifies the flavors. Salt does the same thing, but in savory dishes. When you put
I love
in there,
salt.
so
You
if
love
all that stuff in there, you can't taste it like that. Like other stuff.
I can
brings it
taste
out.
the sugar and the lemon.
Mm-hmm.
Sour.
That's why
Mommy looking at me like I'm crazy.
You don't take the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the allspice, the cloves.
Okay. So it just has bubbles in it, so I'm gonna show y'all.
Let them know where the bubbles come from. Be careful. Let them know where the bubbles come from.
The bubbles come from the. Wait, hold on, what did we say it come from?
Think. That's why I'm just letting you do this for practice right there. A lot of this I'm not going because there was people talking in the background and everything. Even when you tasted the clove and then put it back down and started mixing around and then started talking to them, they see all that. But it's just, you know, when you start recording it for your channel. She has
I have
your name already. What
Yeah, I
I
have.
got my name.
Yes, it
Because
says
it's linked to the phone or whatever like that, but she wants to do her own.
Okay. I know I said we're gonna stop doing this because like it's no more like things like that, but it isn't. We just added some more ingredients. No, that's the new one.
It's the new one? It's
Yeah,
the one that's
go-
already open?
No, the one that's already open is probably in my thing.
Okay, on the bottom? Okay.
Yeah.
Starting the cookies while she is finishing the bread pudding.
No, I'm supposed to be making the cookies.
Well, I'm putting that for
We
you.
gonna be both and doing
Okay,
this.
okay.
So
I'm
we
just
gonna
getting
put
the...
this- We're just getting the ingredients. So put this back.
I'm put that one back. Put that one in.
Cause I made some cookies already. I did not put this on my. I didn't make the channel on my channel. So yeah. Oh wait, hold on. I'm thirsty. Okay, huh? No, look at my thing. Okay. So guys, this is what it looks like. That's only bubbles. And the bubbles come from... I forgot what you said it came from. Acid. Yes, acid. Lemon. You don't see it? Okay, so. It's supposed to be in here. Stop. No.
I did see that little bit, that little half, right?
Yeah, it was right in there.